In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted pins on Pinterest in just a few simple steps. Whether you deleted a pin by accident or just want to access old data, here's how to get it back. Start by opening the Pinterest app. Go to your profile, then tap the setting icon in the top right. From the menu, tap on Privacy and Data. Scroll down and select Request Your Data. Tap on Start Requests. Pinterest will begin preparing your data and send it to your email. This usually takes 3 to 4 hours. Once you receive the email, download the data file. Inside, you'll find a section labeled Deleted Pins. You can recover them or download them to your phone's photo gallery. And that's how easy it is to recover deleted pins on Pinterest. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.